Hi, I'm Eric with the Plano Public Library. What do salt, snowflakes, and quartz all have in common? They're all crystals. Don't believe me? Well, let's take a closer look at what makes a crystal and how we may be able to make our own crystals at home. Crystals are solids that are formed when molecules are connected together in regular and repeating patterns. Now, most crystals come in geometric shapes with sharp, straight edges and smooth sides called facets. Now, because the atoms lock together in such an orderly fashion, the resulting crystals take the shape of the molecules that form them. Salt crystals have a cubic shape, while sugar crystals have a flattened rectangular shape. Snow is made from solidified water molecules, H2O, which reliably form each unique snowflake with exactly 6 sides. The process of crystals forming is called crystallization. Crystallization occurs in nature when liquid cools and starts to harden, like magma cooling into a mineral quartz crystal or when water evaporates from a mixture. That is where sea salt comes from. Now let's see if we can use some common materials to make our own crystals. It's time to take out your scientific notebook and start making some steam connections. Wait several hours or check it the next day. What did you notice? What do you think happened? When we dissolve borax crystals in water, we create a mixture. Saturation refers to the maximum amount of a substance that can be dissolved into another substance under normal circumstances. Adding heat increases the solubility, which is the ability of the borax to dissolve in the water. So what does all this mean? It means that the water is super saturated with borax crystals. The heat causes the water molecules to move farther away from each other so that it can actually hold more borax than it would normally be able to. Now, as it cools, the water molecules come closer together again, and the extra borax in the mixture can no longer be contained by the colder water. That's when the borax falls out of the mixture and clings to the pipe cleaner. It reforms into crystals. This is called recrystallization. Now, what did you notice about the shape of the new crystals? What happens when you repeat the experiment using salt or sugar or Epsom salt? Don't forget to record your observations in your scientific notebook and keep making steam connections.